Today we're back with hopefully another banger. So we're going to be, I'm going over to John's right now. We're gonna hopefully get into some stuff. I don't know what quite yet, but we're gonna get into something, alright? So I'll see you when I get over there. Kind of caught him in the middle of fixing the dirt bike. She's out now.
Will you start my video too?
Your video's on the ground.
Yeah, but you can prop yours up on the four-wheeler.
You have to have 2 screws to go with that one, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so he's currently putting the plastic, finishing to put the plastic on. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get these plastics on here and I'll pick you back up when we're done.
Be very, very gentle with it. You're learning it. You don't know how fast it's going to turn. You don't know how fast it's going to stop.
Honestly, this is better than a dirt bike. Right now, at least. Wow!
Fast.
Dude.
Top speed, I think, is faster than mine.
Nice. Kind of see it right there. There she comes. Yeah. Now the two-stroke.
I don't like it. It doesn't turn very good.
Yeah, I need.
Is that a servo or something?
Yeah. That kind of tickled my ears a little bit. She is a beaut. My phone will focus.
You got like 5 more minutes till 9. Just a heads up. Oh, I can't see it. I lost it.
Sand buggy. Birthday gift. Hell yeah. Gotta love it. I almost got hit. Alright. Tires 4. Let's go. I'm so excited to get the paddles. Yeah. Bent. Enjoyed today's video. This is the end. Till next time. Peace.